Chinese drug lord na kasalukuyang nakakulong ngayon. Mawawala ng ebidensya, sayang yung effort ng PDEA, sayang yung effort ng gobyerno, sayang yung pondo ng gobyerno.
Investigation Agent 3 Jonathan Morales, also a team leader, says some agents are demoralized because of the reluctance of the PDEA leadership to go after Chinese drug lords and syndicates.
Hindi ko maintindihan sa kanila kung natatakot sila dito sa mga drug groups na to o meron talagang nakikinabang dito sa mga drug groups na to. Kasi pagka ayaw birahin, ibig sabihin may nakikinabang. Magkano yung dahilan?
Morales says since Director General Arturo Cactac and Deputy Director General Rene Orbe assumed office, the agency has not caught a single Chinese drug lord or dismantled a drug laboratory.
Ang gusto niya, mag-concentrate kami sa papiso-piso kesa doon sa kilo-kilo. Ang dapat binabanatan dito, kung gusto mo matigil, banatan mo yung pinakaulo.
Cactac refused to face the camera to act